Before I start talking about today's topic, I need you to watch something. Have you watched? Now I need you to listen my small story. I'm an Indian guy. I've been living in Middle East, Dubai, Abu Dhabi and Qatar since 7 years. Okay. On March 17, I decided to go back to my home just to visit my family. So 18 March when I reached India, my home, okay, I was meeting to my family. I was very happy that I had met with my family after 3 years. Even they were very happy, but they were little concerned that why you came in this Corona time. They were scared too, okay, and they were saying to me that try to stay away from your sister or mom. My father and my brother. So I understood they were concerned about them being affected from Corona. So it was okay. Everything was okay by now. It had just been 30 minutes. Means my reaching to my home, it had just been 30 minutes and my neighbor called to police. Now police came. Can you imagine one person visit his home after 3 years and then police comes? So police came, police took me to hospital just to check that am I corona infected or not. So that was my small story. Why I told you this? Did you see how my parents were scared, how my society were scared, how police were scared, and even in hospital no nurse were coming to me, and I had to wait for 1 hour, 2 hours for doctor. Even nurse weren't coming to me. That they were thinking that I'm corona positive just because I had come from abroad. That's what I'm saying. So what is the moral of this story? The moral of story is that every single one is scared of this corona. So let's start now to this topic. Now, why people are dying too much in India right now? So whenever you see that your family member is infected, what do? You take your family member to hospital, right? In hospital, who are there? One of who called police, they are one, right? That nurse, that doctor, that security guard, that ward boy, who are they? They are exactly one of you. They are exactly one of you scared. So when you are scared, you cannot go near to corona positive patient. How do you expect them to treat your family member? So what you do when you see them, the corona infected, you take them to hospital and you think that they are being well taken care by those who are scared just like you. So what happened? So now suppose I'm talking about patient, okay? Now suppose they are thirsty, okay? They call to nurse that I need water, I need medicine, or if suppose they need to go to washroom, or they are having really hard time, they need someone to take care to. So what happened? They call to nurse. I'm talking about patient. When they call to nurse, nobody goes to that corona positive. They just stay isolated, and that's how they die. So if you have admitted your family member in hospital due to corona positive, and if they die, then trust me, they died with too much struggle. They died with too much struggle. It's better you keep them in home and treat them. If even you isolate your corona positive family member, so what will happen? At least by being, by maintaining the distance, you can still give them food, you can give them water, you can take care of them if it's necessary. But if you keep them in hospital, nobody gonna come to them to help. They will be keep calling for help and they will die. And that's how people are dying right now. Nobody is understanding. I'm just saying, everyone, if they see that their family member is corona positive, they run. I saw so many video that people are running with their patient on cycle, on car. What do you think? There is no treatment. Why do you run to hospital? There is no treatment by now. So why do you run to hospital? You cannot kill them, so you want them to kill them? Are you stupid? Just keep them in home, just treat them. It's better they die in home with your help than over there struggling for thirst, hunger and water. You cannot imagine what happened to corona positive in hospital when you admit them. They treat them worse than dog. Okay, so I don't know they are dying from corona or not, but of course they are dying from this isolation, that being treated like, you know, they have some AIDS or I don't know what's this means. I don't understand. So I request you to please don't admit your corona positive patient, your family member to hospital. Try to take care of them in home. Just isolate them and you will see they will be okay in just 10 days. Their chances of being okay, their chances of being cured by self is 99% higher if they stay in home. But if you admit them in hospital, you will find them that they will be dead soon, because that's what they are doing. In worst case scenario, they are killing those patient, you know, because there is no treatment. They are that much scared, that in their scaredness they are killing them. So all I'm requesting, please don't take your family member, those who are by mistakenly or mistakenly, I don't know, if they have symptoms even, just try to cure them in home. That's all.